My name is Federico Napolitano. I'm the GMP Manufacturing Director and Head of Process Development at ReiThera's. ReiThera's state-of-the-art GMP manufacturing facility is purpose-built to meet evolving needs of gene therapy and vaccine developers worldwide. Designed to be a multi-product facility with scalability, flexibility, and quality. It's at its core. Our manufacturing sites can offer multiple advantages that directly address challenges faced by developers in this fast-moving industry. With production scale ranging from 2 liters to 3,000 liters, our manufacturing site can offer seamless scalability from the early stage development, early stage research to full commercial manufacturing. Our facility is designed to handle a wide range of viral vector, including adenovirus, lentivirus, AAV, MVA. One of the key strengths of ReiThera's facility is its modular approach to process design. Our flexible production suite can be easily and rapidly remodulate in order to meet specific needs of our clients, reducing timeline and compressing downtime. Flexible capacity is built to support our partner who need to deliver their gene therapies reliably, quickly, and without compromise. Our GMP manufacturing enables smooth transition from early stage development to full commercial manufacturing.